Is there a way for a value from a config file to contain empty lines? I am using config parser and I want to be able to get a text variable that has empty lines. For example, my config file looks like. But when I display text it ignores the empty line. I am wondering if there is a way to add a \n or something so it puts a blank empty line there. Edit, I tried parser equals if config parser allow underscore no underscore value equals true. I tried placing \n in the config file, but that is just read as text.
The GET interface provides substitutions that can be used for a suboptimal workaround to the parser's strict handling of new lines.
\n is the escape code for a new line. Try using those instead.